Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the EMSON company for sending me this Bullseye blower. It's a cordless leaf blower. It comes with 2 batteries. It's 24,000 RPMs, which is pretty powerful. I love my gadgets, and I'm looking forward to using this. So let's unbox it and see how it works. Okay, so we have the box open. It comes with the unit itself, an extension here and here, the 2 batteries, and the power cord. So we're going to check the batteries and make sure they're charged, and we'll assemble it and get it together and put it in use. Okay, the battery attaches right here, and it slides right on. You can use it like it is. You can put the extension on it, and it just hooks right on here. Make sure I have the right end here. And you'll just sit it down in the little notches, and it clicks, and it's in place. And you can put the other extension on as well. And you're ready to go. So let's go give it a try, huh? Okay, I'm going to blow some leaves off of my driveway. It packs a powerful punch when it moving leaves. Now let's see how it does. I have a lot of leaves under my bushes that are very difficult to get to, so let's see how it works under the bushes. This is great because you don't have to have a long leaf blower, and you can reach into small areas to remove leaves and debris. I really like it. I hope you'll give it a try. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.